In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new email template in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication, save time on repetitive messages, or ensure consistency in your company's emails, Salesforce makes it easy to set up templates that you or your team can reuse again and again. I'll walk you through each step, share a few helpful tips along the way, and make sure you understand exactly how to get the most out of this handy feature. To begin, you'll first need to log in to Salesforce. Make sure you're using your usual credentials and that you have the right permissions to create new templates. Once you've signed in, head over to the App Launcher. You can find this in the upper left corner of the Salesforce home screen. Just look for the grid-like icon. Click on the App Launcher, then use the search bar to type in Email Templates. When it pops up in your search results, go ahead and select it. Now that you're on the Email Templates page, look to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a button labeled New Email Template. Click on this to start creating a brand new template. You'll now be prompted to enter some key information about your template. First, give your template a name. Make sure it's descriptive enough so that you or your colleagues can easily identify its purpose later on. Next, fill in the description field. This is a great place to add any notes about when or why this template should be used. Then, choose the folder where you'd like to save your template. Organizing templates by folder can make them much easier to manage, especially if you're working with multiple teams or departments. After that, decide which email type you want to use. Salesforce offers a few different formats: Classic, Custom, also known as Lightning, or Visual Force. If you're not sure which to pick, Custom or Lightning is often a good choice for most general communications. Once you've selected your email type, it's time to fill in the subject line. This is what your recipients will see first, so make it clear and relevant to the content of your email. With the basics in place, move on to the body of your email. You'll notice a rich text editor that allows you to write, format, and customize your message. A really powerful feature here is the option to insert merge fields. By clicking on the Merge Field button, you can personalize your template by automatically pulling in information like the contact's name, company name, or any other relevant details straight from your Salesforce records. If you'd like, you can further enhance your email by adding attachments. This could be an image, a PDF, or even just a hyperlink, whatever best suits your needs. Once you've reviewed all your entries and feel happy with your template, just click Save. Your new email template will now be available for use, ready to streamline and standardize your customer communications, and that's all it takes to create an email template in Salesforce. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.